Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping produce and building base flavor without onion or garlic. Chop carrots, celery, potatoes, and tomatoes into even pieces so they cook uniformly. This speeds the process. Use ginger slices, green onion tops, bay leaf, and whole peppercorns to create savory depth. Add 4 cups water plus a vegetable stock cube or 1 tsp salt per cup. This replaces missing aromatics. Once everything is in the pot, bring to a simmer and skim any foam. These first steps set the soup's foundation. You now deepen flavor and adjust texture. Start by gently sautéing ginger and green onion tops in oil for 2-3 minutes to unlock aromatic oils. This mimics the savory lift of onion/garlic. Add carrots and potatoes first, then softer vegetables and simmer 15-20 minutes until tender. Once cooked, blend about half the soup for body, then return to the pot. Make sure to add a splash of acid, lemon, or vinegar to brighten the profile. This step balances richness and lifts the finished taste. You're finishing the soup. Add chopped fresh herbs, adjust salt, and stir in a teaspoon of lemon or vinegar to sharpen flavors. Taste and correct. If the soup is thin, simmer uncovered 5-10 minutes to concentrate. If it tastes flat, dissolve a small spoon of miso or a dash of soy sauce to add umami without onion or garlic. Make sure to cool quickly and store in the fridge 3-4 days or freeze up to 3 months. If it separates, whisk or blend briefly to re-emulsify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.